Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a productive weekly reset. I needed to get my house in order and reset for the week. Took me a couple of days, but I finally finished. Of course, I went to Target first and saw these flowers, went ahead and grabbed it. But the most reason why I came to Target was because I needed to stock up on a couple of things and make a couple of returns. I had these clothes that I bought my kids a while back, never had a chance to return them or exchange them, and also I needed to stock up on diapers and other things, cleaning supplies, vitamins, things like that. So that's mostly what I ended up doing at Target. In my last reset, I broke my tub and towel brush. I found this at Target because I wasn't able to buy another one in time. So I just went ahead and grabbed this. It wasn't super expensive. It was like $16. It does extend and it's like multifaceted. It comes with like refills and different things like that. But there's a brush attached to it. I really like it. I've used it once so far and I like it. Child, we had ran out of a whole bunch of stuff that was very much needed. We ran out of laundry detergent. We ran out of like surface cleaner. We ran out of tissue paper. So it was just great to get to Target and stock up on those things. I had ran out of all my kids' vitamins, all my multivitamins for my husband and I. So I ended up stocking up on that too and then headed home. So when I got home that evening, I was multitasking like crazy. I am a mom of 3, and if you know anything about being a mom, it's whenever they're home, it's go, go, go. Multitasking is a skill. It really is. So I was just making dinner and cleaning up a little bit before I put the groceries away. And as soon as I got that done, I was able to get the children squared away, stock up anything that needed to be stocked up or restocked, like toilet paper, able to put as much things away as possible in their right spots. I hadn't lighted a candle in forever and I felt like this was the night to do it. This scent, my husband loves it so much. Eucalyptus mint scent, like he's so in love with that scent. But I lighted that tonight and I just went ahead and prepared the flowers I got from Target. I haven't had flowers since Mother's Day, so this was much needed. And it's just so relaxing for me to prepare my bouquets of flowers the way I like them, to cut them up. It's just a method of self-care that I've really got into lately. I just felt like the house just needed a fresh set, so I'm really glad that I grabbed this at Target. It's a whole nother day and I had some errands to run. One of the errands was dropping off a package at UPS. This package has been sitting at my house forever, so I'm glad I got that done. And then I had to wash my car. You guys, I haven't washed my car in forever. I just couldn't find the time. Also, I needed to wash inside of my car. I'm gonna be honest, I don't wash my car. I don't vacuum it or anything like that. It's usually my husband, but he's been so busy lately during the season. And I finally was like, you know what? Just go get it done. So I just went in and got it washed and cleaned and got the inside vacuumed and cleaned as well. Like I said, the inside of this car was a mess, dusty, crunchy. 3 kids, that's all I could say. And I'm just not a good steward of my car as much as I would like to be. I'm just not. But I was just glad to get it vacuumed. It wasn't shampooed, but it just needed to be vacuumed. My parents were coming in town this week, and that just needed to get done. So it's finally time to really tackle the kitchen. I just needed to clean up a little bit more, wash the dishes, put things away, and then load up the dishwasher for the week. As you can see, the sink is very full. I hadn't washed dishes in a while, like I'm talking about some couple of days. I wasn't able to reset on that Sunday, and you know how it goes. So I was just really glad to get in there and really get down and dirty in the kitchen and get everything done. One thing I'm really trying to work on is emptying the dishwasher when it needs to be emptied. What happens is that I don't empty it in the morning, and then the dishes pile up, and then I have to do everything at once. But if I can get in a habit of emptying the dishwasher every morning, then at night loading it, and just being consistent with that, I'm just so sure that life would be so much easier for me and my family. So yeah, that's one of the things that I am working on. But right now, as you can see, I'm extremely behind in that. I used to have table mats on the table, and yeah, my kids, they ruined them. So now I only like have one left, and I love these table mats so much. I got them from IKEA like a couple of years ago, and I've just been loving them, but I've had to throw one away each time. And it's so funny because I only have like one left, but I refuse to let it go. And I went to IKEA the other day and I couldn't find it. So yeah, we're working with one mat right now, and I'm hanging on to it for dear life, like literally for dear life. It's a whole nother day, another evening, and I've just been tackling small things in here throughout the week. I needed to get my laundry in order and put my clothes up that's just been sitting in a hamper for a long time. I'm really loving these dividers from Temu. Like I said, I'm going to order some more in order to get my husband's side done. I think I said it in one of my other resets. I just love the way it keeps the clothes organized, divided, and very neat. I'm just here for it. Last thing I did this week was fully vacuum and mop the floor. I do vacuum often. What I don't do is mop often. We just don't mop often. But today I was like, no, we're gonna vacuum this whole floor and we're gonna mop it. That's what we're gonna do, and that's exactly what I did. I vacuumed like the whole floor in the kitchen, and I pulled out the mop. I got the mop from I think that I got that mop from Target. I'm gonna link it below. I'll have a couple of links down below of the items that I'm using, but the mop, I know I got it from Target, and this floor really needed to be mopped. The last person that mopped it was my husband. He doesn't mop often. I rarely mop. It's just not like something I like to do. But today I decided to get that done just for this week, and I'm really glad I did. Really hope you guys enjoyed this reset. It was very, very productive, very good week. I did a little bit of something every day, and I am happy with what I got done this week. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you for always supporting me. And if you have any other video ideas, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and we'll talk soon. See you in the comments. Bye.